Hi guys, welcome back to the Puro Fail Show. As with every week, we have made 4 incredible segments full of the funniest videos. So let's not wait any longer and start with our first segment, the air horn pranks. Let's check them out.
Shit up, bro. I just know. I know, cause I know for.
Want a muffin?
What's up, boy?
Shit myself. You want a muffin?
What's up, bro?
Sleeping right now.
Ow.
I'm so
Come on, Chris, dude, stop it.
No, the other one's the left. You head on that one.
Bro, man, what?
What's going on, ladies?
How incredible is an air horn? The air horns always give us some of the best jump scares. We are going to leave an Amazon link of them in the description, so if you want to get one. Now guys, for the next segment we have the roommates pranks. Let's check them out.
Can we relocate to the garage, guys?
Stop! David! Get out of here, quick! Where's Anna? Christ, why'd you do that? Shut up! Yeah. Why do you do that?
And does that. Say that.
I do that.
Jesus Christ!
Whoa! Oh my gosh, Savannah!
how wonderful is pranking our friends? It's definitely one of our best classics. Leave in the comments what other kind of collections and segments you want to see in the future shows. Remember that your opinion is the most important to us. But now, let's continue. Now we have an incredible segment, the car pranks. Let's check them out.
Tristan, you gonna...
Her mom posted on there all the time.
You ready? Yeah.
Hey! Hey! Punch. Yes, professional one.
Oh, God damn it! Oh, oh God!
Definitely my favourite one were the girls who screamed to each other to see how to react. This type of prank is amazing. Well, now we have to end this show in the best way. So let's see our classic segment, the favourite ones. Let's check them out.
Y'all make sure y'all smiling. Yeah.
One white people.
Do ba do ba do. A do ba do.
Damn it, I thought it was you first.
Bananas! Boo! Ah! Oh my gosh!
Wait a minute!
It's alright. You didn't give me.
Ken!
I know.
Wow.
Well guys, that was all for today's show. If you liked the video, then please leave a like, as that would help us out a lot. And also guys, we would really appreciate it if you can follow us on Twitter. The link will be in the description of the video. Have a great day.